This fan is run on water and ice. And this baby is a game changer. It's small, compact, and portable. You can take it with you anywhere and have like your own portable air conditioner. Let me show you. If you're still sweating through the summer, this can turn your own personal space into a mini air conditioner. So first we add the water, and then we add the ice. This is the Arctic Air Ice Jet ×3. Instant cooling. It also has the mood light, purple, blue. Oh, that's a game changer. It's also has a USB. That is so cool. Imagine taking this to, like, you can take it from your desk to your bedroom. It's energy efficient. It's like your own portable air conditioner.